Sa tanong na kung kamusta ako, okay, andito, naghahanap buhay.
Okay. As to the nagulat ka of your relief or you disappointed over it?
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Sir, sabi nyo nahanap buhay. What do you mean by that, sir?
Pumasok ko sa Grab delivery, sa food delivery at nakatanggap ako ng message sa aking app at nakakita ko na birthday cake. So I delivered it. Nagkataon pala birthday ni Congressman De Lima. So nagulat ako na nadala kong cake sa kanya.
Sir, may offer daw sa iyong position.
Naki-happy birthday na rin ako.
Sir, may bagong position na in-offer sa inyo.
Let's just wait for the official announcement kung meron man.
Ano po, pero sir, tatanggapin niyo kung meron.
Let's just wait. Masyado namang naunang karwahe dyan. Pag tatanggapin o hindi, wala pang ang announcement kung meron man.
Pero natanggap na po kayo ng presidente?
Executive privilege, pwede.
Okay. Sir, you think yung pagtanggal sa inyo has anything to do with yung binawi na mga appointments mo?
That will be included in the statement in due time. Hindi sa ngayon.
Sir, ano pinag-usapan niyo ni Senator Laila? Ano po pinag-usapan niyo?
Ma'am, cake delivery po. Seriously speaking, when I was the chief PNP, Congressman De Lima was among the first visitors in my office. Nakita niyo naman yan, we published it. She visited me and we talk about things. So I just reciprocated the gesture. I found out that it's her birthday today. Actually, alam ko matagal na. So I just really wanted to wish her well on her birthday. Kaya nagdala lang ako ng simple cake. Yun lang.
Ano pinag-usapan niyo, sir?
Happy birthday.
So you think the unfair na yung relationship mo with the present group of officials under this administration, or are you still open to dialogue?
Uy, yung pag-premise yun ng question na beyond repair para bang may nasira. I'm telling you, simula kahit nakahapon sa official statement ni Secretary John Vic, di ba? May nasira ba? Wala naman na. It's all the President's choice, ang sabi niya.
So,
which I support it.
kayo, sir. Wala kang
Of course we are.
Tumawag daw siya 5 beses, di niyo raw sinagot.
Sabi niya naman, di ba? Siya rin naman nagsabi na nasa dinner ako. Well, sa ako na yun, alam mo, diba? Even in the PSA, in the Police Service Anniversary sa aking demonstration sa President nung ating capability sa 911 and 5 minutes response, ano ba ang na-highlight doon? Napakabagal talaga ng internet. So, things happen sa mga ganong kanya. It's just so unfortunate na napaka bad timing ng mga calls niya. Kaya hindi ako naka-return call, hindi ko rin na-receive.
Sir, despite po ng pagkakaalis mo sa PNP, ano po yung proud kayo na nagawa ninyo?
Proud to be. Laging tagline namin yan, di ba? I came from a unit na ang tagline ay proud to be. Until now, proud to be PNP. Ayun ang pinaka-tagline kung naghahanap
Sir,
ng
wala po
tagline.
kayo sa parang loob. Wala po kayo sa
Look at me straight in the eye. Do I look like somebody who is bitter?
Sir, conspicuously absent kayo dun sa turnover. So, yung optics dun parang nasabi.
Because there's, up to this moment, there's no turnover to speak of. Ang relief ko is for the appointment.
Yes.
I have to still get guidance whether I'm fired from the PNP so that I will lose my 4-star general.
Yes.
And that's quite a different thing. No.
Kasi out of the service kayo, ibig sabihin, sir, di ba?
Ano ibig sabihin nun, sir?
I'm still a policeman with a 4-star general rank.
Sir, hindi po kayo nandun sa turnover?
That is an assumption of office kasi the night before I was relieved and the office is empty. The office is vacant. So it has to be filled and it was filled the next day.
Pero hindi niyo pa naisisip pang mag-early retire? Wala
That will be part of my statement in the coming days.
Sir, bukas pa daw yung NBI kasi, sir.
I'm not qualified for it.
Sir, sabi mo, normalis na daw po ba kayo?
Sa quarters? Oh yes, kahapon pagka the assumption of office of the new chief PNP is around lunchtime. I left the house before dinner. Kasi ako naman ay tumira ako dun, but with the reality in mind that anytime you can be yanked out because it's just a temporary housing and quartering. So it's not very difficult for me to live it.
With the family.
Yes, with the family.
Sir,
So your message to your supporters, po.
Sino yun?
Mga
Your supporters, kasi
people,
bumuhos po yung suporta para sa inyo.
Hindi naman ako naniniwala na ganun karami yan. Sa akin lang, salamat lang sa kanila. Pero I really appreciate the gesture. I really appreciate the support and the love. But huwag kayo mag-alala. Ako'y okay.
Sir, sabi ko sa statement ninyo, ang tunay na tagumpay.
Sorry, sir, would you have done things differently?
Pag-isipan ko muna yung sagot na yan.
Sabi mo sa statement mo, ang tunay na tagumpay ay yung patuloy na paglilingkod sa bayan. What do you mean by that?
Pulis pa rin naman ako eh. Ay, makakita ko ng rambol dyan. Eh, makikita nyo ako siguradong manghuhuli na nagrarambol dyan sa kalsada. Count on it. May makita kong may madaanan ako rambol sa kalsada, maniwala kayo. May huhulihin at huhulin tayo dyan. At I'm still duty bound to keep the peace.
May pinag-uusapan na po kayo na tanggapin ano man ang posisyon na ibibigay sa iyo ng Presidente.
Yun nga sabi ko, let's wait first for the official statement or announcement regarding that matter.
So regardless of that, you're still ready to serve government in whatever capacity.
I'm still serving the government.
Hindi, beyond. Yung general mindset mo lang.
I'm still in the government. I'm still serving the government right now. I'm still a policeman.
Still willing to serve.
Kung hindi ako willing, di umalis na ako.
You still support the president?
Of course, of course.
Sir, your message to the President, if there's any...
Executive privilege na ako. Ano man yun, kami na dalawa mag-usap.
How about sa new PNP chief message?
I wish him well. I wish General Nartat as well. He's a very good officer.
May napag-usapan po ba ni Kong Leila about 2028 plan?
Pulis mo ako, hindi ako pwedeng... First and foremost, kung plans ha. Kung plans. Unang-una wala akong pera na para sa trabahong yan. Naku po, Diyos ko, I'm really so far from reality.
Sir, sabi ni Senator Ping, parang over daw yung authority, paggamit ng authority.
I always respect the opinion of everybody, especially from a former chief PNP. I took note of it and reviewed my actions. Now, whether I agree or not, I'll just include it in the statement. You can deduce it from the statement that I will make.
Kailan yan? When do we expect it? This week? Next week? Para mag-prepare din kami.
Kailan, sir? Kailan kayo maglalabas ng statement?
I can't really give a timeline on it. I took a leave, which I will do. I think the second time in my career.
For how long, sir?
For how long?
I'm mulling about it kasi syempre for approval of the chief PNP, and I'm planning to use the maximum leave authorized, yung my vacation leave, my service leave, my
Sir, bakit ganyan lang? Magkatawid.
obviously I need the time. I need the time off. So I need the time off also to answer reporters.
What were your thoughts? Anong naramdaman mo when you learned about itong pag-release?
I've been an officer for more than 30 years. This is not the first time that this happened in my career. Okay? And it happened time and again, pabalik-balik yan, and I just came back, bounced back, and do something again, and be credited for it. Redeem myself. Ganun lang.
Nothing new.
Do you have any regrets, sir?
Regrets? Lahat naman tayo may mga what ifs sa buhay, pero I am not very sure if this is one of them. Meron ganun, pero things na talagang major regrets or major things that I